This video is meant to give you an introduction on using blending modes in Photoshop to add texture to your images. There's other things that you can do with blending modes. They're really awesome, they're really powerful. Basically, it's a way to blend two images together in a seamless way that's very fast. So I have an image. It's almost like lightning. I don't even honestly know what it is, but it's kind of a cool texture. And then I have this image underneath on the layer below. So what I want to do is make blending modes on the top layer, that's the texture, showing through the layer underneath. And all I have to do to play with the blending modes is in the layers palette, I'm going to click on where it says normal and I'm going to choose the drop down. And I can see what each of these different options does. Dissolve looks the same as normal. Darken is where things are going to start getting different. So multiply looks pretty cool. Some of these can get a little bit trippy, a little bit crazy, a little bit much. I'm not going to go down the whole list, but you can play with it if you want. I'm just going to choose multiply because it looked pretty cool. You can adjust the opacity if you want it to be more subtle. Or you can even do a mask, like let's say I wanted the texture to be on the background, but I didn't want it to be on the dog. So I'm going to create a layer mask, choose my brush tool, make sure black is on the top, make a bigger brush, and you can just kind of paint out the part that you don't want the texture on, using the left bracket to make my brush smaller. And then let's say, yeah, I like that, but I think it's a little bit too dramatic, so I'm going to take the opacity down a little bit. So that's just a way to add textures and to blend two images together in a seamless way that's really quick and painless.